So this came pretty fast. Ordered this off eBay. As you can see, the thickness. Alright, this came in, shipping and everything, it was $14, shipping $13, sales and tax, for a grand total price of $30.11. This is what I'm gonna trace out the template and, you know, get to cutting and everything. But yeah, so far we are $30.31 plus $7 from the actual sway bar from the junkyard. Not that bad. The Costco one, it's about $180, so regardless, it's saving a lot of money, and I'm gonna weld it myself and everything, so we shall see. This, well, this is really garbage, but as you can see, I'm gonna try to utilize all I possibly can for whatever other project or inventions I have. Obviously, a better marker will be the first investment I need. This one's been through a lot. So as you can see, I'm just tracing. Okay, I'm gonna get a better marker. Better marker. It doesn't necessarily have to be super perfect, because, you know, it's a cardboard. At the end of the day, I will grind some of the stuff down to see if I can achieve the look I want. For now, just gotta work on grinding this out. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse about that, because that's gonna take a while. And there you go. You know, the edge is not that rough. Gotta do this side order. It's not that rough. Nice, smooth. Let's look at our template. Not that bad. Still saving $100 and something. So what I'm gonna have to do now is where's the marker? I'm gonna mark where the straw holes are at. I'm gonna have to utilize this press as you can see, to drill. And that's it. Well, that's it for now. Drill bit from Milwaukee. This was 20 bucks. Well, $21. And then that's my dad. And there you go. My welds aren't the prettiest, but as you can see, it holds. Spent about 40 bucks in total. You can't beat it.